Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create at yours template on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. For example, I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this photo, and then we can tag sticker or maybe give to our Instagram story. For example, I'm going to add text, and I'm just going to add your favorite food like this and click on done, and I'm going to place the text right here. And if we want to create at yours template, we can go to the sticker icon and click on templates. Right, and here we can select what to pin, so anyone can join in and add to what's pinned. I'm going to pin the text I have just added to my story. Okay, and now the text has been pinned, so others cannot edit this text. And we can click on next. Alright, and now the at yours template is ready, and then you can click on your story to share this at yours template to your followers so they can join this template. I'm gonna click on your story, and then we need to wait until the process has completed. Now the story is being uploaded, guys. Wait for a moment, it's still loading. Okay, now it's done, and our followers can try this template for their Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can create at your template on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.